Hi guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be showing you if you are writing a blog post or any kind of technical content. It can be book, it can be a video layout, it can be blog layout, it can be anything. So in this video, I'll be showing you there are three options that I personally use. One is Claude, another one is Chat GPT 3.5 and 4, and Bard. So we have four options here with ourselves. So as per my experience, Bard has been giving me consistent result. As well as the first I will be choosing Bard, second is Claude, and at the end I'll be choosing Chat GPT. There are simple reasons, and I'll be showing you a live demo if I'm creating a long form, very long form content, which I'll be making into a book, also a blog, and also a video. So I will be creating a piece of content which I will transform into three different types of content. So let's get started. So now I'll be running a command on these three different website and tools and understand how the output is coming out. So the command that I'm giving right now, I'm also putting some reference text. So the word limit or the number of words is near about 1800 words, which is there in the command. So when I put it in Bard, the whole text is not coming here. That is one problem. So it will always give you a random output. So this is one thing. I'm going to run the command here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use Claude for this. So when I paste the command in Claude, so it can very easily take a long form content, and I'm pretty much sure it will be able to process it. So I put my content here or the command here, then I will click on start new chat. Now what I will do is I'll go to chat GPT. There is GP4, GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. So I'll be using GPT-4 for the rhyming. I'll put the content here. So the 1800 words, it is easily able to take it up. Now I'm going to see the advantage here is ChatGPT will be able to give me fast results faster. So this is how it is doing it. So what I'm doing right now here is I'm making a video on ghee manufacturing in India. So I'm basically trying to understand and build a blog post around it. Now if I go to Claude, what I can see here is it is giving me better data. If I compare it to, it is giving me 100 and 150 square feet, 1.1 to 1.15 lakh rupees, one about 10,000 per month raw material cost, B2B customer, 18 years. So I'm looking for details because this is a guide that I'm creating. So I need specific details, technical terms here. So if I go to Bard, what it is giving me here, 150 to 500 to 1000 liters per milk per day. Who is your customer? CAGR. So this is some information which I did not provide. The market size for ghee in India is very large according to a report. The market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10% from 2022 to 2028. So this is something which I don't have, but Google from its database has provided me with the details. Now, and here you can see not the complete data is not given here. So what I'll do is I'll ask Bard to continue. Then the problem with Bard is it will give you a very limited amount of output. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use type in continue. Then it is going to give me the rest of the you know the layout and everything. Again, half of it is not there. I have to again say continue. I have to again say continue. Then you can see that the amount of data here 50, working capital is 50,000 to 1 lakh, large scale operation 2 lakh to 3 lakh. So details is given here, and equipment investment is 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees with a investment, large scale operation. For large scale operation you have to spend 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees. So this is something which is not there in chat gpt. If I look into it, the time required to launch can range from few months. So it is giving you an overview, right? Just giving you an overview. That is what chat gpt is good for. It is not good for giving you exact exact or immediate results or updated data. That is one very big problem with Claude. Yeah, here you can see this will give you small answers, small line one line answers. This will also give you overview with little bit of specifics and details. But with Bard you can see that it is giving me an organized structure. It is giving me an organized content which I can later on expand more. If I want to expand more, I can expand it more, but it is giving me a better output. So this is how what I do here is this is a starting point where I figure out, okay, this is the layout of the content that I'm going to create. So at first what I do is I use Bard. as you have imagined and as you have figured out right now, but there are some limitation to Bard which I discussed here. So this is how I use Bard primarily to create a layout of content, whatever content that I'm creating. It can be a video script, blog script, or even a book that if you want to write. So this is how I do it, and I hope this video was helpful. And this is how you can try and test it out. This was something which I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. If you have any question, queries, you can reach out to us. Thank you. Bye.